Now, before you do anything, turn your power off, turn your water supply off. Press down on the clip, pull forward. No lights, everything's off. Right, condensation trap, there it is. The rubber at the top, pull that down, and it comes off. Twist towards your left, and lift. And that comes out, and that's how you remove your condensation trap. In here now, this is what we call our turbine, right? This top bit, you just twist it again towards your left and pull up at the same time gently, and it should just come off. Right, tuck that out the way. Right, how to remove your condenser. Once you got your condensation trap out, you undo this screw here, that Allen bolt there, and another one there, and you should be able to get your condenser straight out.